Sitting at home, remember you're swimming upstream and you can't think where this way will carry you because going with the flow is not always desirable. If you really want to create a framework for your success, what do you need to do? Whenever you want to deliver your views, you get stuck because mostly people want you to speak English. They feel when we speak English, you speak English, that time you can communicate with the people in English. So, how can I chart my own course? I want to succeed in my life. I have lots of thoughts, views in my brain. How could I deliver everything in English? So, I have got you people online course. If you really people are interested to speak English, if you fancy speaking English, so join me for my online course. It is for 40 days, the duration of this course. Guys, if you people do not feel contented, satisfied, I would get your money back. I voucher for it. And another thing is that within 7 days you will get the improvement. You would find that you would start speaking English. And I would train you through applied method. Mostly people send you videos, but I will not do this thing. I will directly sit opposite you, like right away I'm sitting. I will give you online live class. There you would understand how to converse, how to discuss. So if you people are interested in speaking English, message me on my WhatsApp number 9373537363. Message me, send me hi, ping me up over there, and write it down on my Facebook, Jitendra Gangwani on Facebook. Write it down, Jeet Pinnacle, message me over there. I would respond to your message soon. My name is Jitendra Gangwani. I have been training the people in Jeet Pinnacle Institute for 18 years. Thank you guys for listening to me. Have a great time ahead.